Hi, welcome to another installment of Open MBA Tutor. So, last time when I left off, I was at, I had created the user RCU to create the schemas for OIAM. So, what I have to do now is I'm going to create the SOA suite for Oracle. The SOA stands for Search Oriented Architecture. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'm going to go to the Oracle website again. And basically, again, so because I'm working with 11G 1 and just give my browser a second. Okay, so apparently it's not, I don't know what's going on, okay. Anyways, what I was saying was, basically, you need to go back to the Oracle website. Go back to the Oracle website, basically just again you need to download the SOA suite, and the SOA suite is two separate files. So basically what you'll be doing is you will basically accept the license agreement again, and now you have to download SOA suite, the first file, and then SOA suite, the second file, and place it in a directory on your file system. So basically, I have mine on my D drive, and actually, I downloaded on my file system and I installed it in my D drive. So let me see if I can show you what the okay, never mind. Okay, so basically, this is where my files were when I downloaded them. So they were, if I can find them. So I downloaded the generic SOA files, as you can see. So basically, you want to download the generic SOA files. I extracted them from my D drive, as I was telling you just a short bit ago. And in my D drive, this is where I placed it, SOA Suite 11G R1. So basically, how you install SOA, how you configure SOA is basically you have to come to the first is this one, and copy this path. Open up a command prompt. Okay, once you have the command prompt, you need to cd into this directory. So with a new prompt, cd into the directory that you just copied, and then again for me, I have to be in my directory. So what the command that you issue is setup. Again, setup is for the that exe file that you have right here, and you need to set up. And again, if you look at the directions, so setup dash JRELOC, and then this is capital L, and then you have to point to the middleware home. So setup JRELOC, and I need to get my middleware home, which is the Oracle middleware. So I'm going to copy this. Location. You just gotta be patient. So this is gonna open up. So SOA, so basically with everything that I've done so far, I have one new folder in my file on my file system on my D drive. So let me show you what exactly. So basically, so when you complete the SOA, you're gonna basically create this is gonna be the outcome. All corners for SOA once, and also when you create when you configure the identity access management, this is gonna be the folder for that package. And this was the original folder for basically my the RCU unit. Okay, so this is very important, right? So when you run this command and you encounter this issue, it says cannot find a Java SC runtime. Okay, that's fine. So that's okay. If you look at what I have here, basically you have to take your JDK, your Java JDK bin, and place it in this directory. So what I would do now is I'm gonna put this aside. Local mid bin. Okay. So I'll do this. B.Oracle. I would take my bin from this other middleware that I have. So I'm going to do this. Come here. Copy this. Minimize this. Setup. Oh, I need to get to my D login. So delete that. Authentication. Okay. There's my bin here. And then let's try that command again. Set up Open Home. Let me make sure I have this right. Okay, then let me do this. So there you go. So basically, what I was trying to do is, so the middleware for 11G, what you downloaded actually does not come with a JDK. If you read it, if you look at the wording, I don't know what it says. Basically, SOA does not come with a JDK. Without a JDK, rather this one does not include a JDK or JVM. So you have to find a JDK. Either use one from another middleware, or basically just make sure you have a Java installed. So what I'll do here is I'm just gonna go click next, and what I will do actually is I'm gonna get rid of this SOA. Delete that. Okay, get rid of that. Skip. Ignore. If you get any of these errors, you can just uncheck them. and then click on continue. And basically it's gonna say do not try not to be too concerned with this message. Just basically just select your middleware home and click next. And if I stay with my SOA one folder here, then I would have received an error. You can't, again, obviously you would have to change, you would have to basically assign a new name to, let's say, SOA two. So SOA one is going to be created as my as one of my folders. So here I just click next and review your what's going to be installed. And after that, you can save a response file to again just take a closer look at these parameters. We're just going to install. And there's one error that I came across with my installation. Basically, when you get to if you go into the D drive, into the folder where you actually have your where you extracted the package into, basically this is a folder. So if you go to disk one of the things that happened is that, actually no, this one, it was disk two. One thing that happened is that I kept receiving an error where basically it would show me this path, and then it would be, where did it go? This two. Actually, never mind. That's some other installation, not the SOA suite. Okay, so just wait for this to be to complete. Again, this is a very fast process. This is going to be my next installation, the Identity Access Management. And just to make sure that that's being installed, as you can see, I have a SOA one folder now. So I guess I have to update my instruction set. So it's actually 4 SOA, and then 5 it is install identity and access management, and then the last one is going to be the overall configuration. Okay. So this should almost be done. So this is actually the longest he's ever taken to install the SOA suite. Usually it's about 5 minutes. So it's a very fast process. So I already posted this script on the discussion section for the YouTube channel. So definitely check it out. And I also have the instructions for. I have these instructions also posted there. So if you have any questions regarding, if you can't remember what the scripts are, just check out the discussion section of the channel. As you can see, it is almost done. There you go. So when it's completed, just click next. And if you want to save the installation information, if you did the installation you know details, then you can do so. Save and store in your file system or wherever you choose, and then just click on finish. Afterwards, so you see on my application server home location. This is going to be my server type Worklogic server. Oracle home location obviously is going to be Oracle _ SOA1. There you go. I have myself in the SOA suite now. And okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next for my next tutorial.